Okay, so the last episode you saw me take out the bulkhead. This episode we're taking out the seats and we're going to give them a clean and we're going to get them looking sprucey. We're going to bring them back to life because they've looked old, dull, dark, depressed after all these years sat in the front of a workman's van. So let's not beat around the bush. I'm just going to show you how to take the seats out of the T4, how I'm going to clean them, and how I'll look after basically. So let's get out there. So I've got 4 of these bolts for the passenger seat in the T4. I've got to unscrew those and then we can go to the driver's seat. I've got 4 there as well. We can unscrew those and then we can take the seats out. Okay, so let's remove these. Let's take these out. Okay, 4 bolts removed. Now I can just lift this up. It's easy when the bulkhead's been taken out, or if you don't have one, I've just taken my bulkhead out. Here's the seat. Dirt in here. This is filthy here. It's just absolutely filthy, so it just needs a good old clean. And then when that's done, we can go and now do the driver's seat. So just get some washing up liquid and some tap water, fill that up. Then you're going to want a brush, like so. And then you're just going to use this and just give it a good old thorough clean. Okay, so before we clean it, it's a good idea just to give it a vacuum, just for all the big loose bits of dirt. And then when we've got the brush, we can agitate all the small little bits of dirt, and we don't have to rub in the big bits then. Once it's cleaned with the soapy water, what we need is we want a steam cleaner. Okay, I actually don't have the right attachment. I'm just going to use this, the chute. But basically, what you want is you want an attachment which is a bit long and just gives you a bit more of a surface area to clean. So you can see the difference, look how dirty this is and this side is. And then once you've got the soapy water and then you've steam cleaned it, and look at that side looks noticeably better than this side. Clean, grim. Once you've cleaned the seats, just leave them out to dry. I've left them for half a day in a nice summer's day, and there you go. These have come out really quite well, but there's still the odd little bit which I just won't be able to get. That's an old paint mark by the looks of things. Here's some oil stuff, but you know, generally they look pretty clean, a lot cleaner than they were. The next video is going to be about this panel here, or perhaps I should say the lack of it, as we're going to be cutting that out and we're going to be putting a brand spanking new window into a nice privacy window there. I'll make that sound simple, but I think that's going to be a really hard task, notoriously difficult in VW T4s. So that panel's coming out, and we're also going to do the same for this panel here on the sliding door. So that'll be the next episode. We're going to take that off. But thanks for watching this video, guys, and we'll put the next one up online when we're done. Cheers.